Now, this scenario is titled IT Infrastructure Upgrade at a Healthcare Provider. A healthcare provider operates a patient management system that supports medical records, appointment scheduling, and billing. The current infrastructure is outdated, leading to frequent system slowdowns and occasional downtime. The IT department plans a major upgrade to migrate the system to a cloud-based solution, ensuring better performance, security, and scalability. To manage the transition, the IT team follows a structured plan, conducting risk assessments, obtaining approvals, and scheduling downtime outside of business hours. After successful migration, they monitor system performance and gather user feedback to ensure smooth operation. Now, there's going to be 3 questions that are based on this scenario. Then we'll go through the answers. First question: before migrating the patient management system to the cloud, the IT team follows a structured approval process. Which ITIL practice ensures that this change is assessed, authorized, and implemented with minimal risk? And the options are A. Change enablement, B. Release management, C. Incident management, or D. Service level management. Question 2. The healthcare provider has an agreement with the cloud service provider that guarantees 99.9% system uptime. This type of agreement is an example of what? Is it an operational level agreement, a service level agreement, an underpinning contract, or a change schedule? In question 3, which service value chain activity is responsible for planning and designing the cloud migration to ensure the upgraded system meets business and user needs? Is it obtain/build, design and transition, improve, or deliver and support? Now, if you need any more time to go over those questions, you should pause the video here, so we're going to go straight into the answers. Just remind ourselves of the question 1, is which ITIL practice ensures that the change is assessed, authorized, and implemented with minimal risk? And the answer is, of course, change enablement. Change enablement ensures that all changes to IT services are assessed, approved, and implemented with minimal risk. In this case, migrating a critical patient management system to the cloud is a major change that requires careful evaluation and planning. Release management focuses on deploying new or updated software, but does not handle the decision-making and approval process for changes. Incident management deals with restoring service after unplanned disruptions, which is not relevant to planned system upgrades. Finally, service level management ensures that IT services meet agreed upon performance levels, but does not oversee the approval process for major system changes. And the second question, we'll just refresh our memory what that was. The type of agreement is example of what? And the answer is, of course, a service level agreement. Service level agreement is a formal agreement between a service provider and a customer that defines expected service performance, such as availability, response times, and support commitments. In this case, the 99.9% uptime guarantee is a clear example of an SLA. Operational level agreements define agreements within an organization, such as between internal teams, rather than between a customer and a service provider. Underpinning contracts are agreements with external suppliers, such as third-party vendors, but an SLA is specific to service delivery commitments. And finally, a change schedule is a timeline of planned service changes, which is unrelated to uptime guarantees. And now, question 3 will just refresh our memory again. It's the service value chain activity that's responsible for planning and designing. And our answer is design and transition. It's in the name. Design and transition is the service value chain activity responsible for planning and designing new or changed services to meet business needs. In this case, the IT team is designing the migration to the cloud, ensuring that the new infrastructure aligns with organizational goals. Obtain/build is about acquiring and developing resources, but does not cover the full planning and transition process. Improve focuses on continuous service enhancements, but this scenario is about a structured migration project rather than iterative improvements. Finally, deliberate support ensures that services are running smoothly after deployment, but does not focus on designing and planning a major change.